crisp autumn afternoon in fountains, Ray gathered his friends, Ryo and Sheba, under the old tree in the heart of the woods. As golden leaves fluttered around them, Ray shared a special story from his favorite book, The Tale of Hachiko. Hachiko was a dog just like us, Ray began, his eyes reflecting the warm light of the setting sun. He waited for his owner every day at the train station, long after his owner could no longer return. Hachiko never lost hope, and his loyalty became a legend. Ryo's ears perked up, and Sheba nestled closer, captivated by the tale. "That's amazing," Ryo murmured. "Imagine being remembered for being such a good friend." Inspired by Hachiko's story, the trio decided they wanted to spread this message of loyalty and friendship throughout their community. "Let's create our own legend," Sheba woofed excitedly as they pondered how to share their new inspiration. A rustling in the bushes caught their attention. A small, frightened squirrel emerged, looking lost and weary. "I can't find my way back home," the squirrel chirped, her eyes wide with worry. Here was their chance. "We'll help you," Ray declared, his tail wagging with determination. "Just like Hachiko, we're here for a friend in need." Guided by Ray's curiosity and Ryo's training in search and rescue, they carefully led the squirrel through the twisting paths of the forest. Sheba's cheerful chatter kept the squirrel's spirits high. And soon, they found the squirrel's home nestled in a hollow tree. "Thank you, you really are like Hachiko," the squirrel squeaked gratefully, her tiny paw waving as they parted ways. With hearts full of warmth, the trio decided to continue their new mission. They began to create small stone markers along the paths of the woods, each inscribed with a simple message: "Be loyal, be kind, be a friend." Inspired by Hachiko, word of their deeds and the stone messages spread throughout Fuentaines. Animals from all corners of the woods came to see the messages, leaving with hearts touched by the story of Hachiko and the actions of Ray, Ryo, and Sheba. As the sun set, the three friends sat back under their favorite tree, their bodies tired, but spirits lifted. "We did something special today," Ray said, looking at his friends. "Just like Hachiko, we showed that loyalty and kindness can lead the way." And from that day on, the legend of Ray, Ryo, and Sheba grew, woven into the fabric of Fuentaines as the friends who lived by the spirit of Hachiko, spreading loyalty and friendship wherever they went. One crisp autumn afternoon in fountains, Ray gathered his